This is a video about using Excel 2013 to calculate a one-tailed z-test. The first thing we have to do is to calculate the variance. So we need to type in the formula for it. So it's going to be equals and then var s and bracket. And then to get that data range in quickly, I'm just going to highlight it and then close brackets. I click out, and we've got our first variance of 812 along with the numbers behind the decimal point, and then we need to do the same on the next one. So now we have our two variances. What we then need to go on is click on the Data tab and go to Data Analysis. We're looking for the Z2 test sample for means, which is what we've got there, so we click OK. Now we've already done this, so we've actually got the data in. Normally we'd need to click on the tab here, and I'll just take this out for the moment. In order to insert the data, I will just quickly highlight it, and there you can see it's coming in, so that's all okay. We click on the icon again. I could repeat the process here, so again normally this will be empty, so I go OK, get rid of it, and then highlight it all, and it puts it back into what we want. Now we're dealing with a hypothesis test, and we're saying it's the null hypothesis that is correct, so we're saying 0 for that, for the hypothesized mean difference. We've got the variance figures already typed in. Normally we'd need to put these in, but they're already here for us. So we've got the first variance for column A and the second variance for column B. We haven't bothered to deal with any labels, even though we've got them up here. We've not included them in the range. And we're saying we're looking for a 95% certainty, so we've gone for an alpha of 0.95. And we've got a cell already selected for our output range, which is where the data from this calculation will be placed by the program. So everything's ready to click OK. And here we go, and it's all a bit crumpled up, so I'm just going to drag across slightly and give us some reading space. So when we look down here, we are looking for a one-tail P test, so we've got PZ there, so that's the result we need to be interested in. And we can see the result is 0.23605, which is actually greater than 0.05, so therefore the null hypothesis is rejected in this instance.